The ERA miGuard A105 wireless alarm system comes with a plug-in unit, a pet-friendly PIR, a door magnetic and 2 remote controls. The plug-in unit is the heart of the system and it simply plugs into a plug socket. It has battery backup, so if anybody attempted to unplug it, the alarm system would still activate. This system is ideal for flats and student accommodation, and being portable, if you move, you can take it with you. The plug-in unit allows you to set the alarm for just the front door when you're in. But when you're out or away, you can set the alarm to include the movement sensor as well. And don't forget that the 2 remote controls have panic buttons on them that would activate the very loud 105 decibel siren, which would frighten away any intruder. Additional accessories and sensors are available for all ERA alarm systems, and these include external solar sirens, replica sirens, internal plug-in sirens, and a wired external siren. We also do a range of PIR sensors, including curtain sensors, ceiling PIR sensors, and pet-friendly PIR sensors. We also have smoke detectors, water and flood detectors, and panic buttons. You can also add internal IP cameras, range extenders that will extend the transmitting range to up to 250 meters, and a remote battery keypad with RFID capability. And of course, you can always add extra remote controls. For more information, visit our website, eramiGuard.com.